This is a 1952 Nash Rambler Station Wagon. Forgotten, broken, but not dead. She's rough, rust everywhere, but the bones, still strong. Time to see the heart of this 1952 Nash Rambler Station Wagon. Let's bring her back to life. Original inline engine. Dirty, but rebuildable. Oil hasn't moved in decades. These plugs are older than most people watching this. Time to pull the heart. Every bolt tells a story. Rust never sleeps, but neither do we.
Precision is everything.
This is where power is born. Seals. No more leaks. She can move. Safety first, always. Even dusty and old, she deserves to stop safely. These springs were tired. Back to bare metal.
Choose for a classic queen. Now she's ready to roll.
Rust doesn't scare me. Welcome home, old friend.
Two-tone classic, factory style.
Now we let her shine.
Clarity matters.
Needs to work. Again. Clean tool, we're already that, and that's down there, so clean foundation. Let's make her whole. Come on, Holly. Yes! She's alive.